Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and you can visit my homepage hiteshchaudhary.com at below mentioned link and can of course leave your feedback. Now this series is quite exciting for me. I have been awake from a couple of nights and really it's still quite a night out here in India, but really sleep is really not my cup of tea right now because I'm quite excited about this series. So with this excitement, I'll present you a new challenge and let us look out what is this challenge is all about. So moving on to our SQL environment on our virtual machine, and you can simply see there is a file that says lesson19.zip file. Now something twist is out here. Although this lesson is all what we have done so far, you'll find one of the technique in this lesson. The hint is also there at the top title, but I'm not going to do anything in this lesson, not even the installation, setup or anything. So really the sometime tests and challenges are required so that you can test yourself, hey, how much you are doing in this series and how what we have learned in this series and quite other things as well. So that's it for this video. Of course I'll be creating more videos on this series, not a officially end out here, but really this video is just to give you a test environment. So test it out yourself, find out yourself that is it vulnerable. Of course it is vulnerable, but make sure you find out what is the vulnerability and how to inject into the database. So with this, let's end up our video and thank you so much for watching.